I mentioned that 2024 was a big year for Prolific, but we are still super early in our journey, and 2025 is absolutely going to be the biggest year yet. We're hiring aggressively at the moment, so looking to grow the team by, could be close to double in the next year, hiring West Coast, US and London, so that's just the team growth. And I think obviously 2025 is going to be a big year for AI. Human data is a critical component to all steps in the AI development lifecycle, and Prolific is a critical component, a critical infrastructure for this development.
Prolificon 2024 has been amazing.
The big takeaway for me has been that renewed sense of focus moving into next year.
Hearing the way Enzo's talking about how we'll use data moving forward.
It's been refreshing to see such transparency as well as kind of aligning towards one North Star.
Really a lot of great energy, a lot of really exciting retrospectives in terms of what we've accomplished so far this year.
Kind of a new venture into machine learning and data science for us. Really, really excited about that in our team, but just in general, what that means for Protocol, the products that we work on, but data quality in general.
Now we kind of understand where we need to go as a company. I think it's exciting to see that kind of alignment. Now we all have that message.
It's really special to be able to see colleagues, give them a hug, give them a high five. So that's definitely been my favorite part so far.
It's also nice, I'm in the US, so it's nice to put some faces in person with names and develop some more personal relationships with folks that I work with every day.
2025 is going to be a really exciting year, and I can't wait.
We have extremely big goals. We are very motivated to make our dent in the world, build this critical human data component for AI development. But I think you'll find the team are humble in their approach to this big mission, and there's low ego in the team. I think they're all extremely inspiring and genuine people to work with.